was inspired to pursue my master's degree in information sciences from UWM because I got a history degree from the University of Wisconsin-Madison, and I really wanted to pursue a career where I can be immersed with history on a daily basis. I got an internship in a public library, and I absolutely loved it. I'm really interested in helping connect people with information, so libraries felt like the natural fit. I really liked how UWM made the program both incredibly flexible but also affordable to students who might be working full-time and are self-funding the costs of higher education. The program also allowed you to take up to 6 years to complete your degree, so you can work through it at your own pace as well, which was something that was really important to me as I simultaneously gained professional experience alongside my academics. I took Information Studies 862, Legal Issues in the LIS Profession, and it just had an enormous impact on me, especially as we discussed issues such as intellectual freedom, book banning and book challenges, and kind of the legal foundations of those processes. I felt it tied in really nicely to contemporary issues that we've been facing. I helped organize the Bandwagon event here at MPL. That was an event that we did with Penguin Random House, where they brought out their Bandwagon, which was a van which distributes banned books. We had over 1,000 attendees, so it was really nice to be a part of an event that really promoted intellectual freedom. I think I would encourage everyone to, while working on your MLIS program at SOAS, really pursue professional experience as well. I found it to be so incredibly rewarding. You're really able to apply what you're learning in school in actually a real-world setting.